Right, so we've arrived at the spot. It's pretty bloody choppy in the dinghy, but got here safely, so should make for a beautiful camp tonight. Let's go and find some firewood. This is pretty gutting, eh? There's just so much rubbish along the beach. Every sort of 5 or so steps you can find something. That'll be our little give back for the weekend. Is we'll do a big sort of beach cleanup. Yeah, just so much plastic. Bit shitty, really. Oh well. What do we have here? Parking ticket. Here we go, the little bushbuck tent nestled nicely in this Pahutikawa. Beautiful. Righto, so camp's sort of semi set up. I've got a bit of time to kill, so I'm going to go have a bit of a nosy around the corner here, see what this ledge is like right near our campsite, because obviously if you can fish just right on your doorstep, even better. So yeah, let's go have a look. As you can see, I've gone for the all-terrain safety jandals. These are excellent for the rocks, just about anything really. You can build in them, do the lawn in them, go out for dinner in them. They're just an amazing, versatile bit of footwear. So, yeah, go get some. Yep. Well, the ledge looks amazing. It runs further to the left as well and to the right, but there's a big old death trap down there, so definitely be able to scramble along when it comes to fishing. But as far as just a quick look-see at my jandals, I think I might give that one a miss. So, but yeah, it does look good right out in front. Nice deep water. You beauty. All right. Oh, I see what you mean. Loaded. Chirp.
Even you were.
Chirp. Shibby. Shibby. Bit of a sketchy climb down. 2 down, just J left up top. Got the burley in the water. Sun's setting, so haven't got too much time. That burley getting destroyed.
Do you think you have to wrap it, Tony?
No.
Little bastard.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Up, up, up! Watch your feet, watch your feet! Yoo-hoo-hoo!
How hard's the rugby on it?
On the softie! Oh, mate, that was a screamer! Yoo-hoo-hoo! Oh, beauty! Oh. What is he? Just under 65. Oh, you little ripper.
What's this one?
Huh? So dinner tonight, got some fresh panties, just going to do them whole, and going to chuck some garlic. I'll cut some slots in there, and Wilbur and Jay got some of this sticky chili ginger, which we're going to smear on it as well. Oh yeah.
Sorry guys, just a little bit later than I went.
Some fresh snapperoonies. Ta-da. Broccolini. Oh yeah. I have a broccolini, dude. Need the net, please. Next one, next one. Yeah, oi, nice. Cheers, bro. Good start to the morning. First bait. Oh no. It's a real good fish. Cut it and then put it in so it can die. So Wilbur just got this nice snapper, but it's unfortunately it swallowed both big 10-bar circles, so gonna do the right thing and not release this one because it's obviously gonna die. So got some ice in the chili bin, and yeah, we'll make use of the whole fish.
Lunch.
Bittersweet. Good fish though. Oh Jay, good fish, bro.
Fucking dude, that's like the same size.
Let's be quick then, here. I just don't want it to die.
Just hold your hand over its neck.
Here we go. Nosy.
Close 58.
58. Here he goes.
I've got mine in the water, so someone's gonna hurry up.
Oh. Sonny, you could probably catch it.
It looks like a 16. Yeah, I'll get Tony, oh. Got that.
You got line on it? Ah, good Billy. You landed a good one, Tony.
Yeah, I think we're going to have to stop. So we had another really good session this morning, and yeah, the fishing was hot. We caught probably 5 or 6 snapper around sort of 60 centimeters, but yeah, unfortunately the way they were feeding, they were just scoffing the whole baits right down. So 2 big circle hooks right down their guts. So yeah, you sort of don't want to send a fish back that's probably going to die. So we've kept 2 of the bigger ones, which we don't normally do. But we're going to make the most of it. Jay's done some bushcraft here, and he's got a whole snapper on the go. He's just been basting it with some yum sauce. So yeah, it's a shame for big ones to die like that, but at least we're making the most of it, and no point in putting it back if it's going to cark it anyway. So do what you can, and then if they're no good, then make the most of them. This looks good. I'll leave that on. Are you going to put it back on?
Oh mate, that looks delicious.
I think you're putting it back on after. Crack a bit more salt in there you can. Oh yeah. What's that dude's name? Salt Bay.
More?
Yeah, and so the beautiful fish that we had to eat was sort of the conclusion to what was a pretty amazing annual winter camp. The four of us have done this since we were probably around 10 years old. We used to take mattresses down the road to a beach near my place, and every year we sort of ventured a bit further and stayed out a bit longer. And yeah, even though all of us now have, we've got kids and we're in our 30s, ultimately we go for the same reasons. We just love getting out into our beautiful backyard and yeah, lighting a fire, cooking what we catch, and just enjoying each other's company. It's times that you certainly never forget, and it's something that I really value, is those friendships I have with these guys, and this trip is certainly something that I really look forward to every year. So yeah, long may it continue, the annual winter camp. Cheers, boys. You.
When was the last time you heard it? When I heard it, I was like, it's been so long, I was like, this is cool.